Kubota Combine Harvester represents a significant advancement in modern rice harvesting technology, optimizing the harvesting process with exceptional efficiency. This powerful machine operates with precision, cutting rice quickly and accurately, saving time and reducing labor costs. Beyond rice, other crops like corn thrive, creating a diverse and sustainable farming system. With a robust engine and solid design, the harvester can process up to 10 acres per hour, making agricultural operations more efficient than ever before. The machine's advanced control system allows operators to maneuver it effortlessly, even in challenging conditions such as steep terrain or dense forest, ensuring every cut is precise and safe. The powerful engine enables the harvester to cut through thick and tough rice stalks easily, maintaining consistent power throughout long workdays without issue. This stability is crucial for ensuring high efficiency and productivity in large-scale farming operations. The advanced technology in the Kubota harvester also helps minimize maintenance costs and downtime, ensuring it operates effectively throughout its lifespan. By reducing the need for constant repairs and maintenance, this machine provides long-term reliability and cost savings for farmers. The Kubota Combine Harvester is not just a tool for quick and efficient harvesting, but also an investment in the future of farming. It helps save both time and money, increasing productivity and profits for the farmer. The ability to harvest 10 acres per hour makes this machine the ideal choice for large-scale farms, enabling farmers to boost productivity while ensuring high-quality, efficient harvesting. With its exceptional performance, the Kubota harvester streamlines the entire harvesting process, reducing the labor force needed and allowing farmers to focus on other important aspects of farming. In addition to its performance benefits, the machine also contributes to a more sustainable farming system. By promoting crop diversity, such as integrating rice and corn, the Kubota harvester helps create a more resilient and environmentally friendly agricultural system. The ability to efficiently harvest various crops ensures that farming operations can be more adaptive and sustainable in the long term. The Kubota Combine Harvester's advanced features, including a strong engine and precision control, make it a powerful tool for enhancing the efficiency of agricultural operations. Whether it's working on flat, easy-to-manage fields or navigating more challenging, uneven terrain, this machine ensures consistent, high-quality results. The technology incorporated into the harvester improves overall workflow and makes the process smoother and more efficient, helping farmers maximize their output. One of the key features that sets the Kubota harvester apart is its ability to maintain consistent power even during long working hours. The machine's robust design ensures that it performs reliably over extended periods, which is especially important for large-scale operations where efficiency is crucial. It is also designed to be easy to maintain, with fewer breakdowns and less downtime compared to other models, making it an indispensable tool for farmers who rely on efficient, uninterrupted harvesting. Moreover, the Kubota Combine Harvester is an environmentally conscious choice. Its fuel-efficient design helps minimize fuel consumption, which in turn reduces greenhouse gas emissions. As sustainability becomes a growing concern in modern agriculture, using equipment like the Kubota Harvester contributes to the overall environmental goals of reducing carbon footprints and promoting greener farming practices. In conclusion, the Kubota Combine Harvester is a perfect blend of power, efficiency, and sustainability. It significantly enhances productivity, reduces labor costs, and minimizes maintenance requirements, making it a wise investment for any large-scale farm. Whether you're harvesting rice or other crops, this machine is built to handle the toughest tasks with ease, ensuring high-quality results and increased profitability. With its advanced technology and powerful performance, the Kubota Harvester is an essential tool for farmers looking to optimize their operations and stay ahead in the competitive world of modern agriculture.
sun has just started to sit.